summer with the heavy rain, not just interrupting your vacation plans, but the flooding has likely caused millions of dollars in road damage. Connecting climate change to floods, though, is tricky. Not only do many weather and human-related factors play into whether or not a flood occurs, but limited data on floods of the past make it difficult to measure them against the climate-driven trends of floods today. However, as climate scientists have found through research here in the Northeast, it is increasingly clear that climate change has influenced several of the water-related variables that contribute to floods. In other words, while our warming world may not induce floods directly, it exacerbates many of the factors that do. While we can't directly attribute all the rain we've seen this summer to climate change, we can see that these extremes are happening more and worsening. Take a look at how much rain we have seen this summer. Some communities like Newport and Keene are pushing 15 plus inches of rain in just about a month and a half. That's usually how much rain we see in 4 or 5 months' time. Now, this map, where some of the hardest hit areas of the state have been, primarily in the Upper Valley, the Monadnock and Sunapee regions, as well as the Northern Lakes region up to the Mount Washington Valley. The pattern we've been stuck in has been relentless, with the jet stream overhead or just to our south, which has been allowing system after system to pour rain on us as our climate warms. The storms will subsequently dump more water. At higher temperatures, the air can hold more moisture content. This can lead to an increase of precipitation, the intensity of that precipitation, the duration, and the frequency. Basically, because of global warming, when it rains, it pours more.
How cool is that? And very fascinating. By none other than meteorologist Hayley Lapoint at WMUR News 9. And all of that is really true, and all of that is really basically happens. We obviously don't know here in New England how we factor all the weather, but it is very common and very difficult here in New Hampshire as well. So, thanks.